Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and I'm going to show how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to choose the modes by using this slider. And here we can easily change the modes. As you can see, here we are in the video mode, but we are interested in more. So here we have access to the more advanced modes of this camera. And as you can see, here we can pick the super slow motion and the slow motion. So I'm going to pick the slow motion to show you how it works. And here we are in this mode. And to start recording, you have to simply tap on this button like that. And as you can see, I've recorded the video in the slow motion, so we go to the preview for now and place the slow motion video. And as you can see, this is how it works. So thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.